These are my top domain registrar picks for anybody that wants to register or transfer a domain from somewhere where they're not comfortable. So the first one, my top choice, is Spaceship. So you can come to Spaceship and check the price of the domain. Let's look at .com, maybe .com. Enter. The first year is that, and then the next year, when you're renewing, that will be your renewal price. So you can look at the prices for other domains, see how much it costs. If you want to transfer a domain, you're going to need your domain and your code, your transfer code from your previous registrar. So let's say, for example, I want to transfer So to transfer, that will be the price. Okay, so of course you're going to need the code to transfer your domain and also unlock the domain from the other end. And then the next one is Dynadot. So if you come here, you can check the price of a domain. When you buy it for the first time, that will be the price. When you renew, that will be the renewal price. Transfer as well. Let's see how much to transfer. Go there under domain transfers. Cloudflare.com transfer. So you need the code. Let me just type something here. Transfer. So to transfer, there is no discount. That's how much it will cost you to transfer the domain. And then the next one is Cloudflare. Cloudflare also registers domains. If you log into your Cloudflare dashboard and you come here under domain registration, you can manage, transfer, and register a domain. So let's say we want to register a domain. Just click there on register under domain registration, and then you can check out how much it costs. The good thing with Cloudflare is that you always get the price, which is the price. They just don't do discounts for every domain. Sometimes you'll see that there's a small discount when you're purchasing a domain. In this case, you can see for .org, that's the price, and that's how much it will cost you to renew the domain. If you want to transfer your domain into Cloudflare, the first thing you're going to have to do is attach it to Cloudflare. And then you'll come here under transfer and you'll check if you have any eligible domains for transfer. So you can see down here, it's showing me one ineligible domain. So the domain cannot be transferred because it is unlocked. It is locked on the other registrar. So to transfer domain into Cloudflare, first thing, add it to Cloudflare, and then you'll come here under transfer domains and check if it is eligible. To make it eligible for transfer into Cloudflare, go to your current registrar, unlock the domain, and get your EPP code. That is a code for transferring the domain. Finally, Namecheap. Namecheap is used by a lot of people. I've used Namecheap the most on this list, probably over a decade now, and I can say I don't have any problems with them. Alright, so you can see nowadays the prices are slightly higher than the others, but they're still reliable. They have lots of features for managing the domain, such as setting up your private name servers and so on. That's why they're on this list, because I've used them for many years and I've never had any issues. So that's it. My top picks for domain registrars. Number 1, I started with Spaceship. Number 2, Dynadot. Number 3, Cloudflare. Number 4, Namecheap. So the reason GoDaddy is not on my list is because they just do too much sales. Okay, if you try to cancel something, they'll try to sell you something else. It's just too much. So try to most of us just want a peace of mind. When we say we want to cancel something, we want a button for canceling. If you approach support is not trying to sell you something. That's the peace most of us want. And that's the only reason GoDaddy is not here. They also don't have a good reputation. Sometimes they will register your domain. If you search for a domain and you don't buy it, they'll register it for you and keep it. All right. So that's pretty much for the domains that I recommend, the domains that the domain registrars that I use and recommend. Until next time.